Hey guys, I am doing this announcement video. This is a big one. And so if you've invested in HODL token, if you thought about investing in HODL token, if you are still investing in HODL token, man, oh man, this is going to be something you want to pay attention to. This opportunity that I'm talking about today has the potential to bring in $1.5 million to the revenue stream for the token, and that means the BNB pool is going to get really nice and juicy. So stick around. I think you're going to really like this video. All right, guys, so let's talk about this 10K NFT sale that's going to be going on in about 10 days, 17 hours, and 25 minutes, right? So this is, I think this is a really interesting thing. So right now, from all the information that I've gathered, they're going to go on sale, and it's going to be for about $150 each. And the way this is going to work is that you go in, and between 1 and 20, those are the limits. You can't purchase more than 20 at a clip, and you have to have a minimum of one, obviously. And then so you place your order for however much, and it's going to be in Ethereum. So you need to have Ethereum to be able to purchase them. And so once you do that, you select the quantity of what you want to purchase, and then they will randomly select these NFTs for you, and then you would be able to kind of get those. So you really don't go in and pick, but they just randomly based on how many you choose. So this is a fair way of doing it, because so this way people don't just go and grab the ones that are most rare, and the next thing you know, everybody else gets a mixture of everything else. So this is a good way of doing it, so that everybody gets a nice mixture of things. So I am really excited, and I'm getting ready to kind of be able to participate in this as well. So I'm really excited. So if you come to this website right here, so it's hodltoken.net/NFT hyphen launch, and you will be able to kind of get to this site. Well, you should start to get some information by downloading this art pack, right? And so if you're able to come here and download this art pack, then it will allow you then to go and start to get information about it. So we're going to do that, and just jump through the art pack and just kind of see some of the different styles and variations of this NFT that they're going to offer. So with that, let's go on to the art pack. Okay. So now we're in the art pack. So let's zoom out a little bit, right? And so here, so these are some of the variations in which they're going to offer. So of course you have the diamond hand, right? And I think this one is interesting because yeah, it's let's see the different styles they have. But these are all the different some of the different hands which they have, and so they start off with that. And I love the fist. I love the I love the concept of the fist in regards to why they selected it. So when you think of HODL, hold on for dear life, and you think of some of the power of the fist, and that it's been used for to like symbolize things. So I think it was a good choice. It is different than some of the NFTs you see out there. So I think from that alone, that's going to draw some attention. But yeah, so it says our first NFT range, we wanted to create art that represents the essence of HODL in the community. The range HODL Hands symbolizes unity, strength, and resistance through the raw form of the clenched fist. Right? We showcase a variety of hands and styles to represent our community and the different characteristics of this state of mind in our iconic 10K range. And so that is nice. I really like that. I really think that that's a good concept. So I think they did a great job coming up with that, because it is definitely different. And so yeah, so this is that rarity chart that they have in here. So I'm gonna get to kind of understand this a little bit. Of course, you wanna get something that's really on the rare side, and so I will be putting a couple of orders into. Ooh, yeah, nice. I will be putting a couple orders in to kind of see if I could get a couple of rare ones myself. But so these are some of the ones that they have. So yeah, this is looking really nice. So I think they could do a lot with this, and so it's going to be cool to see what they end up with. And so, ooh, that kind of like the Spider-Man, Iron Man. I know the likeness of it, but they're not really that. But I get it. This is really nice. I would want one of these just from a collection standpoint. I would want one of each actually. So I could already see myself. If I don't get them, I could see myself looking to trade or buy some from somebody. So it's already getting my attention. So that's really nice. Oh. All right, so HODL 10K NFT sales launches September 29th, 2021, hosted on HODLtoken.net. So really nice. And that's pretty much the pack here. Oh, I kind of like this one too. So yeah, this is interesting. And so I already could see some of the things that the benefits of this, right? So speaking of benefits, one of the things that was spoke on during the AMA in which they had was that they intend in the future to have NFTs that would unlock some type of benefit. They don't know if they're going to go and be able to do some retrofitting to these to be able to at some point have them unlock some benefits. There's been a lot of talks on some other directions that could go. They didn't want to promise anything because they didn't want to get the community all hyped up and then they kind of find that they can't do certain things. But so some of the things they talked about is having some type of a variation of different bodies that you could put the hand on, right? And so making it some type of a collection. But all that are things that are being like talked about in the background, but no decision has been made on them. But overall, I like this. I mean, for multiple reasons, right? So I think one, it is I look at it as they're offering something to the community in the form of an NFT, but they also have some other options in terms of roadmap for NFT. They also talked about getting to a point of having an NFT marketplace as well. So, man, I mean, so this is what I like about what's happening right now, and I think I'm gonna do a video this weekend, really trying to get people to understand what is it that I see in this project and why I'm so bullish on it. With all the ups and downs and everything that's been going on, I am more and more bullish of what they're doing, especially with JG coming in as a CEO, and then you have Ben and Adam that are continue to support this project and the way they are. And so my hats off to Adam and team for this concept. And but yeah, this is really something to get excited about. And I think that once you see the results of these, that's what I'm waiting for. Once we see the result, and then we start to kind of see the other things that they're working on, it's gonna be a beautiful thing. So I'm really excited about it. I wanted to get this video out to you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you could continue to support this channel and we could continue to put these contents and give you these updates and announcements and things. But this is definitely something that you guys should do your research on and try to get some information on. But because I think this is something that you're whether or not you're an investor or not, this is something that I think you're going to want to be part of. So that's what I like about it as well. It is not only for the community, but it's for everyone and anyone that wants to purchase an NFT, and I think that's going to give a lot of reach. So great job to the team. I am excited about this, and so we'll continue to give you guys updates if I find out anything. But I just wanted to get this video out to you guys so you guys could see what's going on. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.